Aye, we walk into the first victim of the storm. No, it's not Jason, it's the tree. Aye. Aye, I think I am going to need to help him. That be that wind. Let me just stop recording, Jace. Oi, look at them beautiful autumn colours. Bloody beautiful. Who's that in the mix? Oh, it's old Jason. Is he gonna look? You gonna look? Oh, he ain't gonna. He's got a thing about whips, he has. Each to their own. Oi, look at them autumn colours. Look at them leaves starting to fall. They are starting to fall.
Still whippy.
Oh, didn't I tell you? He got a thing about whips. Bless his cotton socks. Anyway, I like to mulch the leaf up with the old Stiga mower. You mulch the leaves up, it's easier for the old wormies to take them underground. And that is what we do. And here's a prime example. I'll zoom in here. You see that? That's a worm. Feeding it underground. We like feeding them worms. Not them killer worms. We don't like them killer worms. We like feeding nice worms. And here we go again. Love them autumn colours. Oh, we love them autumn colours. But I don't mulch all my leaf. Sometimes I gotta blow. I blow and I blow till that grass is showing. Then I get back on my mower and do what I know best. Mulching leaves.